Absolutely. You know, that's why we came here, was to find the bell. You first? Or do you want me to go up first? How's it going, YouTube? This is Sparks Explorer, and boy, do we have a video coming up for you. So, we are urban explorers. This is my fiance's brother, so my future brother-in-law, Matt. And he's showing me where this old bell tower
Yep, there's an old bell tower up in Waltham.
So,
Not going to tell him where it is exactly, but it's somewhere in the Massachusetts area, in Waltham. Not going to say where.
Do you know any history behind it, or is it just like...
All I know is from what my friends have told me, and I went there the other night, and I showed you the picture I took.
Right.
Apparently, it's supposed to be haunted. I know a couple other YouTubers have been there.
So it's completely condemned, closed down.
Exactly.
You know, no entrance. Well, there is, but there's not really supposed to be.
Yeah.
So we're going to go check it out, see if we can feel out a few things, get an idea of what's in there. We're going to try and go all the way up, see if the bell's still there. That's kind of my goal.
Yeah.
Tonight is
honestly, I want to ring that bell and say I climbed it.
Ooh, that might draw some attention. But if we could ring that bell, let's figure out where am I going?
I should actually pull that up.
Oh shit. Oh shit, bud. Here. Holy shit. Whoa.
Yeah, but this is where that photo was taken.
So it was right here that orb was?
Yeah, well, right I was standing. Shit's moved around. I was standing right there.
Yeah.
And this is where the orb was. This, you ready? Check this.
Whoa, dude, what the fuck? You didn't hear that?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Dude, up. Guys, this is honestly so cool. What's in these drawers?
Like I said, bro, they're all
Oh, that's
boarded
good.
up. Yeah, ready? For instance, look at this. Brick.
Yeah, I know. What is that?
Fuck if I know. I don't know.
Are we gonna go upstairs?
Yeah. This I've only explored up to that table.
Hang on. Let's see if we can like...
And there's a whole nother part, there's a whole nother downstairs.
I mean, this is a big building. But what? Does it go down? There used to be a door right there. The wall can't be broken. Oh shit, dude. Holy shit. These ceiling tiles still look good.
Recording on my phone.
You are?
Yeah. It's nice, bro.
Right? Welcome to paradise. I was gonna say, I hope that was fucking you.
Look at the size of that AC.
Yeah, that is pretty large. What's that? Dilapidated. What? Oh, that's a door. That's probably
The main entrance.
the front door. Yeah, the main entrance. Home. I stepped on something.
The outside walks among us. Jude, baseball, playboard.
You're freaking yourself out, man.
Yeah, bro.
Whoa. The woodwork in here, though. That couch is...
Make sure all of you are so bored with no
Dude, take a picture of that couch.
Bro, that's disgusting. I'll take the pictures if you're recording.
Oh, dude, trust me, I am recording, no doubt about that. Whoa, dude. That was like a bubbler. You can just imagine what this all looked like when it was in use. That's the ladder up. He said one of the rungs were broken.
Yeah, one of them.
In here.
Be prepared, be unprepared.
Prepare for the unprepared.
That's not like the vacuum, making the nice.
Huh? What?
Spoof myself.
Open it. What's in there? Pull that open. Dude, are those still stalls?
Yeah, but there's some on the first floor.
I didn't notice the ones. Dude, old fuse boxes and fuse panels. Dude, look at this.
There's another door.
So we can go up from here, but that's like up.
That's up. Yo, that shit shut up.
Yeah. Lockers. Like some sort of classroom. You know what's weird, dude? Look, like these are the carpets. The carpets are still here. I wonder why they wanted to shut this place down.
I don't know, are you ready to head up?
Head up?
Yeah.
Right, dude. Absolutely. You know, that's why we came here, was to find the bell. You first. Or do you want me to go up first? What's up there? Oh, dude, you're the tripod.
We might have to leave the backpack down.
Nah, I'm not doing that. Get up there. What's up there?
Absolutely fucking nothing.
Get up there.
So you get up here, be careful, you'll go through the ceiling.
Okay, well, hang on then.
Hold on, no, because you have to pop up onto the wood.
Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. You up? Huh? Here.
There's a panel.
Hang on. If we find where the studs are, just walk there. Where? Okay. I'll just walk you. Oh, fuck, dude. It's fine. It's fine. What do you mean a panel missing? Where? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Are you gonna go up and say where's the bell? What? You wanna take the camera up with you? Dude, I'm not going up.
Actually, wait, hold on.
You know what? I think we should go back down.
Nah, bro, we can't.
Dude, this isn't safe.
Alright.
I'm not gonna risk safety. Let me see that.
Careful, Tim. Don't go any further. Before.
It's fine.
Careful, careful.
What?
That floorboard you're on right now is rough.
What?
I'm into that. I'm good at
Oh.
Which side do you want to go down?
Hmm?
Which side do you want to go down?
We came up this side.
So down this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the bathrooms.
Yeah, show me where the bathrooms are. I gotta urinate. I'm really, dude, I wanna go in here. Fuck. This is really cool though. Oh, no shit. Asbestos.
Gross.
We need face masks. Let's leave.
You probably breathed enough of that shit in already.
Yeah, dude, we gotta go like now before we get bad.
Because it's all over the floor.
Where? That's not asbestos.
No.
No, that's not either. I mean, do we want to? No, we gotta go. I can see asbestos back there. We're leaving.
Yeah,
We have to.
again, I'll go through and I'll help you out.
Okay. Hang on. Let me go through first.
Why?
Because I want to. Just went in there. I'd call that a success.
Yeah, right?
I mean,
Glad I found that. It's a nice little tuck away.
although I will say, just hide right here. Where's he coming from? Don't move. Alright, let's just go. From here, it just makes it look like we're walking around the outside. We're good. We're clear.
Fuck yeah.
Let's get it. Get it. I do have a list of places that I want to explore. I'm not sure when I'll get to them. I'm definitely going to keep all you guys updated. I don't know why I'm super out of breath.
I know, right? Getting out that hole is a tight squeeze.
Right?
I got you, bro. I'll be your camera guy.
No.
Sure? Yeah?
So this was the first episode of Sparks Explore. We just went through the Waltham Bell Tower in Massachusetts. Seeing, what's that? Is that bunny?
Yep.
Little rabbit. Oh, I feel safer. But that place is supposedly haunted. I don't think I caught anything on my cameras. It would be really neat if I did, though.
Yeah.
That would be pretty cool. And if I do, I'll point them out to you guys in the video and see what you guys think of it. If you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions, I'm more than happy to listen to you guys. I want to talk to you guys. I want to communicate. I want to be there with you guys. My knee's bugging me. And I'll bring my knee brace next time. I'll be good. Ooh, that actually really hurts.
Yeah, getting in and out there is pretty rough.
No, it's weird. Never hurt this bad in the past.
Paranormal activity, brother.
Yeah, right. They were grabbing my leg, pulling me down when I was trying to go up.